ready for an adrenaline-fueled adventure? Picture this. You, a bicycle, and the raw, untamed beauty of the great outdoors. We're not talking about a Sunday ride in the park. We're talking about an off-road hill cycling expedition that will challenge you, thrill you, and leave you craving more. We'll take you on a journey where every turn of the pedal is a step into the unknown. As we gear up and set out, the excitement is palpable. Each trail we conquer, from the dense forest paths to the rocky outcrops, is a testament to our resilience and adventurous spirit. And it's not just about the challenge, it's about the journey, the sights, the sounds, the feeling of being one with nature. It's an experience that will stay with you long after the ride is over. So, are you ready? Feel the call of the wild as we embark on our off-road hill cycling adventure. Brace yourself for the challenges that await. In this grand adventure, it's not just about the destination, but the journey itself. The cyclists venture forth, their hearts pounding with anticipation, their wheels biting into the rough, uneven terrain. Nature, in all its raw, untamed glory, throws down the gauntlet with each rock, each route, each unexpected dip and rise in the trail. Confronting these obstacles, they push their limits, their muscles straining, their breaths coming in sharp gasps. Each obstacle is a test, a challenge to be met and overcome. And with each conquered challenge, there's a sense of achievement, a thrill that courses through their veins, making their spirits soar. It's an exhilarating dance with nature, a test of will and strength, a testament to the indomitable human spirit, unwilling to back down, always ready to rise to the occasion. From rocky ascents to steep descents, every pedal stroke brings us closer to our next triumph. Take a moment to breathe in the beauty around us. As we pedal along, every turn of the wheel reveals a new spectacle of Mother Nature's canvas. It's not just about the destination, but the journey. A journey that takes us through serene valleys, their lush greenery whispering tales of the ages. Ahead, majestic mountains stand tall, their peaks dusted with snow, challenging us with their sheer presence. They remind us of our smallness in the grand scheme of the universe, and yet, how mighty we can be in conquering our fears and scaling new heights. Imagine the scent of pine needles wafting in the air, the soft rustle of leaves beneath our tires, the gentle hum of the wind as it whistles past our ears. The beauty of this experience is that it's not just a visual feast. It's a symphony for all our senses, a celebration of the simple yet profound pleasures of life. The sights and sounds of nature surround us at every twist and turn. Hold on to your handlebars. It's time for the descent. This is the moment we've been waiting for, the pinnacle of our off-road hill cycling adventure. We're at the edge of the world, poised on the precipice of the unknown, ready to plunge into the thrilling abyss of speed and exhilaration. The buzz of anticipation is electrifying. As we hurtle down the rugged slopes, the world blurs into a rush of adrenaline and excitement. We're not just descending a hill, we're conquering a mountain, harnessing the raw power of nature and gravity to fuel our journey. With every twist and turn, we're tested. Our hearts pound in our chests as we navigate the steep incline with unparalleled agility. Our bikes become extensions of ourselves, tools of exploration that carry us with precision and finesse through the wild terrain. Exhilarated by the freedom of the open trail, we navigate the rugged terrain with precision and finesse. We've reached the end of our journey, but the adventure doesn't stop here. As we dismount our bikes, we're filled with a sense of triumph, a testament to the challenges we've overcome and the rugged landscapes we've conquered. Our hearts are still racing, our spirits are soaring, and our bodies are buzzing with the remnants of adrenaline. This is the joy of the journey's end, the sweet satisfaction of achievement mixed with the anticipation of adventures yet to come. It's here, amidst the wild beauty of nature, that we celebrate our accomplishment, sharing high fives and smiles, basking in the camaraderie that comes from shared adventure. We've pushed our limits, braved the unknown, and emerged victorious, forever changed by the experience. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable off-road hill cycling adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adrenaline-pumping experiences and epic journeys. Until next time, keep pedaling and exploring.